Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss vibrational analysis of band system. Now, in this lecture we discuss Frank Condon principle and dissociation energy. Now, first Frank Condon principle. In a molecule, the individual atom vibrates about the mean position and therefore the internuclear distance changes continuously. According to the Frank-Condon principle, the electronic transition takes place too rapidly that the vibrating molecule does not change internuclear distance appreciable during the transition, that is during the electronic transition the internuclear distance remains same. Internuclear distance remain the same means the straight line representing the transition between electronic state will be the vertical. Alternately, Frank-Condon principle can be stated thus: the transition between electronic states occur vertically in the potential energy diagram. We can already seen origin of vibrational electronic transition 00, 10, 20. It is observed that in the certain cases 00 transition is most intense, whereas the certain other sum of transition is most intense. Thus the intensity distribution of line in electronic spectrum molecule is not same. The intensity vibration are radially explained on the basis of Frank-Condon principle. The aromatic model of diatomic molecule has potential curve represented by Morse's function. This diagram indicates probability distribution of diatomic molecule according to quantum mechanics. Given this figure gives the Morse's curve along the probability density psi square with internuclear distance for the lower 5 energy state. For mu 0 is equal to atom of most likely to be found at the center of motion. For mu is equal to 1, 2, 3, the most probable position steadily approach the interminous harmonic oscillator. This diagram indicates the operation of Frank-Condon principle. A will be indicate that the upper and lower state having same internuclear distance. B will be the upper state internuclear distance slightly greater than the lower state, and C will be the upper state distance greater than that the lower state. Consider a diatomic molecule undergoing transition E double dash E to E dash E. This figure illuminates the three different cases. First is band length of lower and upper electronic state assumed to be equal if molecule is initially mu is equal to 0. Lower electronic state probability of finding the atomic greater than equilibrium distance. Since the vertical from maximum V double dash is equal to 0 meet the maximum V dash is equal to 0, the most intense line will be the 00 transition. Figure A, that is this figure A. In the same way, figure B, that is this figure, 30 transition will be the most intense one. In figure C, that is this C figure, the vertical from maximum V double dash is equal to 0 goes straight to the continuum of state, and hence continuum result. Frank-Condon principle thus able to account for intensities of line in vibrational electronic spectra. That is, this will be the theory of Frank-Condon principle. Now next topic will be the dissociation. The energy of molecule at absolute zero is in contributed vibrational 0 point energy E0. The energy required to separate a stable diatomic molecule AB in the V is equal to 0 vibrational state into the unexcited state atom A and B is known as dissociation energy D0. The difference in dissociation energy illuminate figure D double dash 0 and D dash 0 are dissociation energy of the normal and excited molecule respectively. The equilibrium dissociation dE is different from D0 is given by dE is equal to D0 plus E0, where E0 is the 0 point energy. The thermal electronic spectra of diatomic molecule consist of series of vibrational transition with or without rotation phi instruction followed by the continuum. The lower and continuum represent the energy required jump dissociation with zero kinetic energy for the dissociation product, that is atom. Normally a molecule in the corresponding to continuum limit dissociation into the normal atom and excite atom with the excitation energy Ex. Energy Ex is the total number of dissociation product in the upper minus the total energy of dissociation product the lower state. If the molecule dissociation from the continuum state, the energy in excess of continuum limit will be appearing in kinetic energy of separated atom. Energy balance required V bar constant limit is equal to D double dash 0 plus Ex. Also V bar constant limit is equal to V bar 0 0 plus D dash 0. Hence D double dash 0 is equal to V bar 0 0 plus D dash 0 minus Ex. Thus the value of V bar constant limit is known as accurately from electronic spectroscopy. That is this accurately electronic spectroscopy. And Ex is available from atomic spectroscopy. Using this value we can estimate the dissociation energy. The vibrational energy Ev is equal to diatomic molecule is given by E mu is equal to mu plus 1 by 2 bracket V bar E minus bracket mu plus half bracket square V bar E x E. This diagram indicates that the illustration of dissociation. The separation between successive vibrational level delta E is equal to E mu plus 1 minus E mu is equal to V bar E bracket 1 minus 2x E bracket mu plus 1 bracket complete. This separation decreases linearly with increasing V and tends to 0 when the dissociation limit reaches, denoting the value of mu corresponding the dissociation delta E is equal to 0 and V max. We have V bar E bracket 1 minus 2 x E mu max plus 1 bracket complete is equal to 0. Mu max is equal to 1 by 2 x E minus 1. The vibrational energy for mu is equal to mu max is equilibrium dissociation energy dE. dE is equal to 1 by 2 x E minus 1 by 2 bracket complete V bar E minus bracket 1 by 2 x E minus 1 by 2 bracket square x E V bar E is equal to V bar E upon 4 x E minus 1 by 4 x E V bar E nearly equal to V bar E upon 4 x E. The value of dE may be estimated from known value of V bar E and x E, from which value of D double dash 0 can be evaluated. Now this will be the theory of dissociation. Now in this lecture we will discuss Franck-Condon principle and dissociation. Thank you so much.